Myself, Vaishnavee from SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Information Technology. Now we're going to find the smallest and largest number in a list. So input my list, output the smallest list is 1 and the largest list is 100. And to begin with the program, as we all know, we have to start the program with the PyCharm. We used to do the programs, all those in the PyCharm interpreter. In that we go to the new file and Python file, and then we choose the Python file in that below link, and we'll give the Python file name. You can give any name with the extension of Python. A new sheet will be open, and in that we will choose the input and output is given for our reference. So we give in the hash command, which is nothing but a comment. So the input is the list, and the output must be given the smallest in the list and largest in the list. So first we're going to sort the list in ascending order, and we're going to print the first and last element in the list, because once it is in ascending order, the first element will be the smallest element and the last element will be the largest element. Here our input list is 20, 100 and 21 and 10. So as we all know that, to know about what scenario is happening over here, we gave the hash comments. So this is about the method 1. We're going to sort. So already we need to create a list before sorting that. So we created my list and empty list. Now we copy the data and put it over there. That is the list with holds the value 20, 100, 21 and 10. Now we're going to sort that list. So to start the list, you all know the start function. So my list dot sort. So this function will do sort automatically with the built-in functions. Now the list is sorted, and our first work is to print the smallest and largest element in the list. Since it is sorted, when we print the list, we could find that the list is sorted. Previously the list is with 20, 100, 21, 10. When we print my list after sorting, it is 1, 10, 20, 20 and 100. So to find the smallest element or the largest element, here smallest element is 1 and largest element is 100. Now we're going to print this. So to print the first element or the smallest element, we give that print smallest element within double quotes, and then we're going to give the position of the particular value, that is my list index position 0. As we all know that the list begins with the 0 as index position, and with the values it begins from 1, 2, 3, 4. So array index 0, which holds the lowest value. In the beginning it holds 20, and after sorting it holds 1 as the minimum value. When we check into the list, 1 is the minimum value because we have sorted it in the ascending order. Next we're going to print the largest element. So print largest element in the list, that is -1. As you all know, from the reverse it will be a negative indexing. So -1 is nothing but the last element in the list. So -1 denotes the negative indexing, which is indexed from -1, -2, -3, -4. So which gives the largest element in a list. Like this, when we run the program, we get the sorted list as well as the smallest element in the list is 1 and largest element is 100. So this is about the smallest and largest element in the list. So here smallest is 1 and largest is 100. We got the output for this particular program. Now we're going to check the data based on the how the input and output is sorted using min and max method. There are other method other than sorting, that is nothing but min and max method. So min represents the minimum value. It will automatically give the minimum value in the list, and max will give the maximum value in the list. So print smallest element is, and then we're going to give that min of my list. That is, the min function provides the minimum in a list directly with the built-in function of min. So here again the minimum in a list is nothing but 1. So we'll get the output of 1. And again we'll print the largest element. So print largest element. Here instead of min we'll give max. So max is nothing but it will give the maximum of my list. So this is the next method we used to print the smallest and largest element in the list. So when we run the program again, we'll get the list with based on the minimum and maximum. Here also we got the right output with smallest element 1 and largest element 100 but using different function, min and max. So this is all about the minimum in a list. Using built-in functions we can find easily with all those programs. Thank you.